Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Valerie.Martinez. That's in the bottom right there, so you guys can check it out. And you guys can hit that subscribe button when you're already at it. I am 21 years old from Los Angeles, California. And for today's video, I decided to get out of my comfort zone and enter James Charles's YouTube competition. This is my YouTube casting video, basically, for the casting call. And I'm going to be doing a fall look. As you guys can tell, I never come on here with acne, so we're about to cover all this up because that's an insecurity of mine. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. We're going to be doing a fall look, and when I mean fall, I mean fall. And you guys know I'm very extra when it comes to looks, so hopefully you guys enjoy this and stay tuned. Alright guys, so I did my brows with the e.l.f. Espresso Pomade, and I'm gonna cover my acne and my under eyes with some orange concealer, which y'all already know the deal with that. To start off, the first question we got is how I got started in makeup. I got started in makeup with being Latina because I was only allowed to wear two products, eyeliner and mascara, which I used the heck out of. I loved eyeliner. I only had a pencil because it was cheap, and mascara because I have no lashes, guys. By the way, I'm using the foundation from Il Maquillage in the shade 95. And I'm just blending it on my face. So because I have no lashes, that's the only makeup product I had to kind of give me the lashes. After that, for a Christmas from my aunt and my cousins, I got my first makeup palette. And that's when I started building on looks and doing crazy stuff with makeup. And I fell in love with it. And I'm using Giorgio Armani concealer. It is so good on your under eye bags, so if you guys want to try it. How I got started in YouTube was I was a 12-year-old looking for something to do. My friend said start YouTube, and I was like, alright, fine. I started a YouTube. I didn't really make videos at first. I was just like, whatever's about it. And one thing led to another. I started making videos and got more into it, I think, last year. I'm using contour concealer in walnut. Then I baked my face with the contouring thing. Now I'm using James palette and Davy Z's palette from BH Cosmetics. The mirror is huge, guys. Take advantage of it. First shade I'm using is Flower in Daisy Marquez's palette. Okay. What can I bring to the beauty community and YouTube? What I can bring to both is a sense of individuality. Is I'm different from a lot of people. I don't consider myself inside the box at all. I like to be different. I don't like to put myself in a box. I don't like when people see what I do, they freak out, or they kind of be like, wow, it's crazy, like you do cool stuff. And I want people to feel that way they can do that on them, or they can be whoever the heck they want to be, because that's what makeup is supposed to do. It's supposed to make you whoever you want to be, make you feel comfortable in your skin or not in your skin if you want. It's supposed to be something for you to feel happy. For me, it's another way I feel good. Also taking the shade Rusted in James's palette with a crease brush and then my crease. And I think it's just on YouTube, I want people to be happy, and that's my main focus, is for everybody to be happy, because in a world that has so much wrong with it, we need to be happy. I'm taking Boutique from James's palette too and putting just in the inner corner, guys. I want to be kind of like a bright light to people. That's why I do YouTube, because I make people laugh, and it's a good thing. So I'm taking Flower, Rusted, and then Boutique in the same order. And also Halloween after Rusted, which is so it has some sparkle in it. And then I'm putting on my regular liner that you guys already know. And then I'm going to start with the leaf. As you guys can see, a brown liner. And then I did the leaves with concealer, and I used the same shades, Flower, Rusted, Boutique, for the inside. And there's glitter from Beauty Creation, on the top of my head. I just want to be a bright light for everybody. This opportunity, what this opportunity would mean to me is I could help so many people, not just myself, my family as well, get out of tough times. And I've been through a lot right now, so it would be so good for me to be able to do this for me and for my family, and to finally put my work out there after so long. And I just want people to see my work for me as an individual, because I think it's different than a lot of other people's, and I hope you guys just love what I do. Thank you, James, for this opportunity. Alright guys, so this is the final look. It is a very Drew fall look. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and James, thank you so much for this opportunity to be able to possibly be in your makeup comp.